What a week this has been. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Lisa, and this is Science Backed, full supported, the Intelligent Heart series. We started on Groundhog Day, and I asked you a question. Are you stuck in your own Groundhog Day, waking up to the same stress, the same anxiety, the same racing thoughts day after day? Like Bill Murray trying to escape by doing the same things harder and faster, when the real exit was somewhere else entirely. Today, I want to bring together everything we've explored this week because understanding something once is different from knowing it in your bones. I really want this to land deep. Let's start with the science because this is what makes heart centered meditation different from things like positive thinking. Your heart contains approximately 40,000 neurons, 40,000. Scientists call this the intrinsic cardiac nervous system, or more poetically, the little brain in the heart. Now, this isn't a metaphor, this is anatomy. And here's what blew my mind when I first learned this. More signals travel from your heart to your brain than from your brain down to your heart. Your heart is constantly sending information to your brain about how to feel, what to pay attention to, and how to respond. When you're stressed, your heart rhythm becomes chaotic, like static on a radio. Your brain receives that chaos and responds with more stress hormones, more cortisol, more adrenaline, a feedback loop that keeps you stuck. But when your heart rhythm becomes smooth and coherent, your brain receives a clear signal and everything shifts. Cortisol drops, and your prefrontal cortex, your thinking brain, comes back online. You can actually problem solve again. This week, we also honored Wear Red Day for Women's Heart Health. And I shared something that most heart health campaigns don't talk about, which is emotional heart health. Chronic stress doesn't just feel bad, it damages your heart literally. Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, which is broken heart syndrome, can actually change the shape of your heart from extreme stress or grief. So when we practice heart coherence, we're not just managing stress, we're protecting our hearts physiologically and measurably. Now, let's review the technique I taught you, quick coherence from the Heart Math Institute. This is backed by peer-reviewed research. It's simple and it works in about 90 seconds. Step 1, heart-focused breathing. You shift your attention to your heart area, and you can place a hand there if it helps. You breathe as if your breath is flowing in and out through your heart. Slower and deeper than normal. About 5 seconds in and 5 seconds out. And now bring to mind a positive feeling. While you continue that heart-focused breathing, you recall a time when you felt genuine appreciation, care, or love. A person, a pet, a place, a moment. You let that feeling fill your chest. And that's it. The breathing shifts your entire nervous system. The positive emotion creates coherent heart rhythm, and together they tell your brain we're safe and stand down. In a moment, we're going to practice this together, a full heart coherence meditation to anchor everything you've learned this week. If you can find a comfortable position, you can sit or lie down. If you're driving, please just listen and don't close your eyes. For everyone else, cast your eyes downward to limit visual distractions, or just simply allow your eyes to flutter closed. Take a moment to arrive. And let go of whatever came before this moment. Let go of whatever you think will come after. Right now, there is only this. Bring your attention to your heart. You might place one or both hands over your chest and feel the warmth of your palms with this gentle pressure. Beneath your hands, your heart is beating. And it's been beating since before you were born. It will beat approximately 100,000 times today. And right now, it's here with you, present, faithful. Begin to breathe as if your breath is flowing directly in and out of your heart. Imagine there's a door in your chest. And with each inhale, breath flows in through that door. With each exhale, it flows back out. Breathe in through the heart. Breathe out through the heart. 2, 3, 4, 5. In through the heart. And out through the heart. In. Out. In. Out. In. Thinking of that special person. And out. And now, as you continue this breathing, I want you to recall a moment of genuine appreciation or love. Maybe it's the face of someone who makes you feel completely accepted, or a pet who greets you with pure joy, a place in nature where you feel at peace, a moment when everything felt right. Don't just think about it, feel it. Let the warmth of that memory spread through your chest. Breathe in happy, breathe out happy. Breathe that feeling into your heart. And breathe it out, letting it expand. In, feeling appreciation. And out, let it grow. Your heart is shifting now, moving from chaos to coherence, from static to signal. This is what your heart was designed to do. This is the intelligent design. Take one more deep breath in through your heart and release it slowly. And now allow your hands to rest wherever is comfortable. And before you open your eyes, set a quiet intention. Just for this week, notice when your heart shifts out of coherence, when stress rises, when your chest tightens, when your thoughts race. And in those moments, hand on heart, 5 breaths. That's all it takes to return. And gently, when you're ready, you may open your eyes. Welcome back. How does your body feel right now compared to when we started? That shift you experienced, that's available to you anytime. 90 seconds. That's all it takes for your heart to move from chaos to coherence. Next week, we're going deeper. It's Valentine's week, and we're going to turn that energy inward. We are going to explore radical self compassion and what it really means, why most people get it wrong, and how to treat yourself with the same kindness you'd offer someone you love. But here's what I've learned: you can't fully open your heart to others without being cruel to yourself. It all starts within. Thank you for being here this week. Thank you for being willing to see your heart differently. And I'll see you on Monday. If you found this helpful, join me in the Zen community for the deep practice to go deeper every Tuesday. Click the link below.